everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see what is Venn diagram. Okay, before entering into the topic Venn diagram, you have to know what is set. What do you mean by set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. That is, if a set is represented by, we all know that capital letters. Okay, so if A is a set means the properties of those elements in the set will be equal. That is, if you are having set of even numbers mean 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Okay, இது ஒரு செட்டு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ செட்டை நம்ம இப்படி தான் டினோட் பண்ணுவோம், ரைட்? இப்போ இதே செட்டை இதை நம்ம ஃப்ளாட் ப்ராக்கெட்டில் வச்சு செட் ப்ராக்கெட்டில் வச்சு டினோட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் ஆஃப் செட். வாட் திஸ் ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் கால்? தட் இஸ் roster form. Okay, if you want you can refer my previous video. Now what do you mean by Venn diagram means the same set if you are representing pictorial, that is if you are representing the same set in diagrammatic form means then it is called Venn diagram. Okay, so what is Venn diagram means? Actually if the set is represented in pictorial form is nothing but diagrammatic form. Okay, we have to draw, so that is called Venn diagram. How we are going to draw means generally Venn diagram it's look in circle shape only. We have to denote the Venn diagram in circle shape only. Okay, now let's see. You all know about universal set. Universal set means where the possibility of all outcomes. Okay, so we are having one universal set, that is set of numbers 1 2 3 4 up to 10. Okay, this is one example I am going to show for Venn diagram. Okay, this is one universal set and we are going to write the set of A elements, that is prime numbers. We can take it as prime numbers, that is 2 3 5 7, that's all, right? Set of prime numbers up to 10 and take the B elements as 2 4 6 8 and 10. Okay, now let's see. This is set of bracket. This is the set which I represent in roster form. How we can represent these sets in Venn diagram? Generally, Venn diagram for universal set you have to draw one square shape. Okay, this is universal set. Always your universal set will represent like this only. Now A is one set. We are going to draw one circle. Okay, in A elements we are having some 2 3 5 and 7. Okay, in B we are having 2 4 6 8, which 2 is in already. Okay, so we are going to write the B elements as, this is B, this is A element and this is B element. See, in these two sets we are having the common element as 2. Okay, so we are writing this element 2 here. Why means this 2 element is in A also and also in B. So this is the intersection. What do you mean by intersection? We all know the two set, that is union, and how we want to find the union and how we can find the intersection. Union means just combining those two sets and intersection means common elements, right? So if you are having any common element means we have to represent in between these two. Okay, so other those elements 3 5 7 we are having in A. So A we are having 2 3 5 7, 4 elements. Okay, in B already 2 we represented. Just write 4 6 8 and 10. These are the B elements. Okay, so the element 2 is in also A and also in B. That's why we are representing in between these. Okay, and other than those these two elements 2 3 5 all there. But except these elements, there are some elements in universal set, right? One is not in these two elements, so we can write 1 here. Okay, 2 3 4 is also there and 5 6 7 9 is left over, so you can write this 9. Okay, so universal set means these all numbers are in universal set. Okay, and this circle alone which representing A elements and this circle alone representing B elements. So this is a form of one Venn diagram. This is universal set and A and B. We are going to find A union B means what we will do, just we will combine those two sets. That is whatever the number you have written here, we have to write here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Okay. And what is A intersection B? A intersection B is nothing but common element in those two sets. We are having common element. Generally in Venn diagram, common elements will be representing in this between only, in this space only. Why means this is the intersection of these two sets. So the only element we are having is 2. Okay. So other than those elements, we are having just 2 elements which left over in universal set, that is 1 and 9. We can represent anywhere other than this A union B. A and B in the set க்கு இல்லாம நீங்க எங்க வேணாலும் இந்த 1 and 9 you can be placed. Okay. So today we saw about Venn diagram. Venn diagram is nothing but representing the set in diagrammatic form. Okay. In diagrammatic form, always universal cell will be represented in rectangle shape or square shape, and A and B are two sets which will be represented as circle. Okay. So if your union means just we are combining and writing, and intersection means generally in Venn diagram intersection elements we have to write here only. Why means that only A element is also in A and element is also in B. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you for watching.